Hi everyone, today we'll be taking a look at a common streaming scenario of enhancing incoming stream data by joining it with another dataset before writing to storage. With FME, you can perform transformations on stream data before storing on disk, which greatly improves the efficiency of your workflows. Our workspace is broken into three main sections: reading from the stream, enhancing the data with our database join, and writing the data out. We will be reading from a Kafka message queue with air quality sensors located around British Columbia. We will join the features with a SQLite table that holds air quality health information. We'll then test which air quality threshold each feature falls within, clean the attributes, and write to a Postgres database. Now let's take a look at our workspace. Here we are in FME Workbench. We've started off our workflow by connecting to our stream data source with an AWS IoT connector. And then the JSON payload is parsed into separate attributes, including the timestamp, pollutant type, including nitrogen dioxide, ozone, and PM2.5. We check the measured values, the sensor location, and the coordinates. With our database joiner, we are connecting to a SQLite database where we have the health index information and defined ranges for each air quality level for different types of our pollutants. When we want to see which of the different air quality ranges each incoming feature falls within, we perform a one-to-many join. The output is 4 features, one for each of the different air quality levels, and our tester will check which of the minimum and maximum ranges our incoming feature falls within. In this case, our ozone value is 0.04, which goes in the moderate level. The last transformer removes and reorders attributes before writing to our Postgres database. Our stream data is relatively low volume, so I'm setting my Postgres writer to insert at 20 features per transaction. Now that our stream processing workflow is ready to go, we can set it to stream mode and run it, and deploy to FME server to run continuously. Be sure to follow Safe Software for more quick demos and check out the FME community for more in-depth tutorials and webinars on stream processing.